Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to walk you through how to install a VPN on your TP-Link router. By setting up a VPN on your router, you'll be able to secure all your devices at once, without needing to install a VPN app on each one. So let's dive right in. First things first, we need to access your TP-Link router's settings. Open up a browser and in the address bar, type in the router's IP address. By default, this is usually 192.168.0.1 feet or 192.168.1.1. If you're not sure, check the label on the back of your router. Now, enter your username and password. The default login is often admin for both, unless you've changed it. Once you're logged in, you'll see the router's dashboard. Next, we need to navigate to the VPN section. To do that, go to the left sidebar and look for a tab called VPN or Network. It might be under Advanced Settings, depending on your router model. Once you find the VPN section, click on it. We're looking for something like PPTP, L2TP, or OpenVPN. The option will depend on your VPN provider. Now, you'll need to enter your VPN provider's information. This usually includes the server address, your username, and password. You should have this information ready if you're using a paid VPN service. Make sure to select the correct VPN type, whether it's PPTP, L2TP, or OpenVPN. This information will be given to you by your VPN provider. Fill in all the details here. Once you've entered all the information, click Save to apply the changes. After saving, it's a good idea to reboot your router for the settings to take effect. Now that the router has rebooted, it's time to test your VPN connection. Go ahead and connect a device, like your phone or laptop, to the Wi-Fi network. Then, use a website like whatismyipaddress.com to check if your IP address has changed to the VPN server's location. If everything's set up right, you should see the new location listed, and that's it. You've successfully set up a VPN on your TP-Link router. Now, every device connected to your router will be protected with a secure VPN connection. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.